I'm Dr. Scott Anson. Welcome to the Thermal Fluids Lab. The students call this the wind tunnel lab. When you come in here, there's a giant wind tunnel in the middle of the room. All of our mechanical engineering undergrads do experimentation on this wind tunnel. You actually touch it, use it, measure it, and you'll take the concepts that you learn in a fluid mechanics class and apply them here in a practical sense to get drag and lift on a wing. One of the activities that one of my colleagues does is takes a sports ball and mounts it in the wind tunnel, and then by mounting it in the wind tunnel you can measure the drag, the resistance of the air molecules going across it. And so we've got a LeTourneau golf ball. We've had students who've been on the tennis team, and we'll take the ball of their choice and we'll measure the drag, the air resistance in the wind tunnel. And then we take them out to the field and they'll either drive the golf ball or throw the football, whatever it may be. We have them guess how fast it'll go. Of course, they always guess kind of high, and that's a little fun. And then we've got a radar gun, and we can measure how fast it goes. We can measure the angle of launch, and we can predict, and we can see where it went. And then we can compare how the angle and the velocity with how far it went out in the field. How far would it have gone without drag, and how far would it go with drag, and how does that compare? So really what we've done is we're teaching them drag and measurement, and we do this around week 6 or 7. And the real trick we did was we made them go outside and play with the ball for a little while, come back in, learn some more engineering.